to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the iOS version of Arcus, and specifically remote access. In order to use Arcus on your iPad or iPhone, you'll need to have the necessary certs installed. If you'd like to review that process, please follow the links in the upper right hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. But if you already have your certs installed, head on over to https://arcus-cloud.io and sign in. The mobile version of the website is quite similar to the desktop version in terms of layout and usage. However, it is worth reviewing remote access. So head on over to an available run and click connect. Make sure you have turned off pop-up blocker in your device's settings. Once you've made your connection, drag the on-screen clipboard from the left of the screen. To paste text, enter it into the clipboard, close the clipboard, and tap where you would like to paste. To type out text, open the on-screen clipboard once again, and select Text Input. Doing so will simulate a keyboard, allowing you to type out text, delete that text, or run commands. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.